sweet baby girl, Tooth Fairy. Hi, my name is Katie.
Hello, I am Mrs. Twinkle. Come back every day and collect your daily bonus.
Welcome back.
Turn on the magic mirror and let's see if Katie brushes her teeth correctly.
Hi, help me brush my teeth. First, apply some toothpaste. Now, brush the teeth, please. Great! Wipe off the toothpaste. Fill the glass with water. Hold the glass, please. Click on it. Yay! Thank you so much. My teeth are clean now. Oh no, my tooth is loose. Look, it fell out. Click on it. Let's put it under the pillow. Yay! Good job! Now let's wait for the Tooth Fairy to come. Welcome back.
Hello, can you clean my magic mirror? Let's pack the gifts. Put the blue toothpaste in put the mouthwash in the green box. Choose the correct box for the dental floss. Great! Now put on the ribbons. First, the blue one. Now, the green one. And don't forget the red one. Good job! Put the presents in the basket. Click to go up and help Mrs. Twinkle bring the presents. Collect the things that Katie dreams about. Open the window, please. Hello. Sprinkle the fairy dust. Turn on the lamp. Let's see what's under the pillow. Oh, it's Katie's tooth. Let's leave some gifts for Katie. And a golden Toodle coin.
Yay! Thank you, Tooth Fairy. I love your gifts. Welcome back. Dress me for bed. Lovely. Cool. Welcome back.
Let's take care of my skin. First, open the face mask. Apply it, please. Cucumbers for some freshness. Wait for a few minutes. Take off the cucumber slices. It's time to wipe off the face mask. Great! Now let's do my makeup. First, we need the foundation. Apply it, please. Much better. Now, the powder. Add some blush. It's time for lipstick. Eyeshadow is the most important part of eye makeup. Apply the eyeliner, please. Open it. Some mascara for an awesome look. And finally, fill in my eyebrows. Yay! Good job! My makeup looks perfect. Thank you.
Welcome back!
Help me make toothpaste. First, we need some baking soda. Now, add some water, please. Let's make it a mint flavor. Mix everything together. Great! Now, load the machine. And fill the tubes. Put on the caps. Let's make the tube design. You can mix the colors. Great! Great! Now pack it for shipping. Don't forget the tape. Almost done. Now color the box. Decorate it the way you like. Good job! Your toothpaste is ready for delivery.
This is your reward. Welcome back.
The more you play, the more items you get.
Welcome back! Sweet baby girl, Tooth Fairy! Hi, my name is Katie.
Hello, I I am Mrs. Twinkle.